Good day everyone. Welcome to T Black and Co. In this tutorial I'll be taking you through how to download any YouTube video irrespective of the video you want to download. As you can see, this one is on how to determine putty, brush and scraper required for any painting job. So as you can see, I will play the video now. Determine the quantity of putty needed for painting work, for work preparation before painting, and also the number of brush. Actually, I may decide not to play it at all. As you can see, my right side there is a, let me show you. Can you see? That's the download spot. So that is where I'm going to click now to download. Can you now see? To give me, do I want to download medium quality or high, or low or high? As you can see, the first one is medium, which will be 29 MB. If it is low quality that I want to download, that will be 11 MB, and if it is high, that will be 81 MB. So you can decide to pick. If I'm to download, let me take the medium. Can you see now? It's already downloading already. So I'm already downloading the video, even though I do not watch it to the end. I just started. Can you see? I just watched about 23 seconds out of the 8 minutes plus that we have. So that's how to download any video, any YouTube video that you wish to download. Perhaps you are not chance to watch it then, so you can download it this way and watch it later. So you see it in your download. By the time it's completed, you'll be notified. Let's wait. And as I'm downloading it, I can also be listening to it. Downloaded. And finally the scraper. Can you see now? Downloaded. And if you have not also subscribed to our channel, you can use this medium to do that, to subscribe to our channel once and for all. Alright, that ends it. So let me